Hey guys, once again we're bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from Aliexpress and Amazon sites. Links to all the products are mentioned in the description. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go. Are you the traditional person who still likes to jot down their notes via paper and pen, but absolutely hate the struggle of transferring them to a laptop? This smart writing notebook serves the perfect bridge for this gap. This notebook allows you to write on paper with a pen and then transfers this material to your smartphone or laptop. And after that, it wipes the pages clean. We bedtime readers well know the labour of perfect lighting. The table lamps are not always a good idea because they interfere with others' sleep. These handless LED lights can easily be hung on your neck and provide exact illumination to lighten up your words. Similarly, you can easily swing them around your neck when walking in dark places or doing other high-precision activities like knitting or plumbing. Metal objects might be shiny, but with time they accumulate dirt from the surroundings. This cleaning machine is unique in that it uses ultrasonic waves to clean stains from metals. With its slim modern design and easy storage, this cleaning machine can refine a variety of objects ranging from your jewellery and watches to small parts of automobiles. This phone preamplifier, which is also called a phono stage, raises your turntable's output to make it compatible with modern amps. On the top of that, it also furnishes standardized equalization. This attractive eye-catching box with its colorful lights will prove to be the best friend of your turntables and revamp your auditory experience. For all the gamers who play on tablets, this game controller is the perfect means of converting your tablet to a cool Nintendo Switch-like setup. It is comfortable to hold and is super light on hands. And you can enjoy non-stop gaming with its 120-hour battery life. It also features 4 physical tactile buttons that provide movable screen controls. This controller works with both Android and iOS devices. This newly created technological wonder will be an amazing addition to your toolbox. It is both a screw and a fastener gripping attachment that can be used with most cordless drills. It is built using the patent-pending locking plate technology that powers it to hold a screw head on the tip against over 100 pounds of pulling force. Plus, it holds screws well and can help you reach all the uncomfortable positions. This hammer is a must-have tool for every craftsman. It is made up of high-carbon steel. Its handles are made of durable plastic that provide an easy grip. All thanks to its ergonomic design, it is effortless to operate. It serves 10 different functions. You can use it as a wrench, screwdriver, or curling iron. It can also cut nails and cords and even pull them out. Are you a person who believes in doing the household maintenance yourself? This board cutting tool will greatly save your time and energy. With its measuring tape, you can have precise positioning and easily draw lines. It's not only the gypsum board it is made for, it is also suitable for other materials like foam board, cardboard, and KT board. This cleverly designed toolkit can easily fit in the ends of your mountain bike handlebar. The tool holder is powered with a magnet to keep all the components in place and is comfortable to hold. The kit includes a hex bit wrench multi-tool, a chain, tire plug multi-tool, and 2 storage sleeves. Are you a time management freak who also has a passion for interior designing? This table calendar will prove to be a fascinating introduction in your bedroom then. Along with that, it guarantees durability because it is made up of high-quality paper and cloth. It is very easy to assemble, and the ball and ring are magnetically attracted to each other. Thus, they maintain their specific positions. We are presenting another item that can adorn your table. This rotating whiskey glass just needs to be given a light rotational touch, and it starts rotating magnificently, giving your eyes an aesthetic pleasure. The high-grade glass has diamond grains, which makes the drink glisten. It also enhances the beauty of the drink by releasing its aroma. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you haven't seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Write in the comments which of the products impressed you most. Bye bye.